Hello everyone. Today I'm going to assist my master chef Jirisha. So what are we going to make today, Jiri?
Today we're going to be making tacos.
Alright, take it through.
So the ingredients that you'll need are hard shell tacos. We made these hard shell tacos ourselves by taking regular tortillas and putting them in the oven. So here's a clip of that. You'll also need yellow peppers, red peppers, orange peppers, onions, and meat of your choice. We're using hot dogs and ground beef, spices, chili, cheese, and some salsa.
Alright chef, what do we have to do first?
So first we're going to put our onions inside with our chili.
Okay.
We're also going to
Mix them up. Smells good, eh? Chef, is there any secret ingredient?
Well, the spices are the key ingredient.
Okay. I thought you were supposed to keep the secret a secret. Did you reveal the secret already?
I think the viewers know now.
Alright. Alright. Onion looks ready now. So what are we going to put next, Jirisha?
So now we're going to add our ground beef.
I love ground beef.
Make sure to cook it until it's brown.
Yep. Take it a little while until it turns brown color. Alright, the ground beef is almost getting ready. Chef, have you ever had a taco before?
Yes, I've had one at Florida at Taco Bell. They were delicious.
Really? I never had one before.
Well,
I'm gonna try this one and see. Hopefully I would like it.
so now we're going to set aside our brown beef into a bowl.
Okay, so I gotta take this off then?
Yep.
Alright, now what are we gonna add?
So we're going to put some butter in our pan.
Okay, put some butter in there.
And then we're going to saute our peppers.
Just go ahead. Very colorful, right? I like the orange color. So what do we got here? So red pepper and orange pepper?
And some yellow
And
pepper.
yellow pepper? Wow. Very colorful, Diddy.
Yeah, it looks good.
I like yellow pepper better than red pepper. I don't know, for some reason. So just keep frying them until they turn a
Until
little
they
bit
turn
brown.
brown.
Yeah. You don't want to
Burn them.
burn them all the way, but okay, so now they are slightly brown.
We're going to set them aside and put them in a bowl.
Sure. Okay. Okay, chef, what's next?
So now we're going to add our hot dog and our salsa.
Okay.
Add a little bit of our salsa.
Salsa? I'll do a salsa dance while I do this. Okay. This is salsa. Have you heard of salsa?
Yep.
Alright. Is that enough, you think? Okay. I think you need to put a little bit more, chef. Careful, a little more. Wow.
More salsa makes it better.
Yep.
And now we're going to add our spices in. So you can choose any
So what do we got
spices
here?
you want.
So you want to describe what you got?
So we got some chili flakes, salt, oregano, curry powder, and some other stuff.
Right, pepper too.
Yep.
I see it.
So the spices are going to help the flavor
Mmm. I smell it.
and make it taste a lot better.
I already smell it. Can't wait to try it. Alright, since we pre-cooked the hot dog, I think we did it in we boiled it in the hot water, right?
Yep.
Okay, so that it should be ready now. I can see it. Oh, I love the smell of it.
Yeah, it's
That-
really good.
Yeah, I know that you put the secret ingredients there to make it even better. So we'll take it off the stove.
Yep.
Okay, chef. Looks like we've done all the prep work. Here's the fun part. So
So now
Go
we're
ahead.
gonna create our tacos. So you can create them however you want. So for us, we're gonna add a layer of salsa at the bottom of the shell. Like so.
I like to have all the toppings, chef. Are
Okay.
you making one for me?
Yep.
All right. So I'll take everything.
So we're gonna add some salsa. And then we're gonna add some ground meat. Like so.
Wow.
And then we're gonna add some peppers. And we're gonna add some tomatoes.
Wow, I love tomatoes. Do you like tomatoes?
Yep.
Good.
And we're also gonna add our hot dogs with salsa.
Salsa. Not too much hot dog for me. Yep, that's good.
Okay.
Onions.
Then we're gonna add our onions.
Mmm. I'll have some lettuce too, please.
Okay, so we're gonna add some lettuce. And finally, we're gonna add some shredded cheese.
Is it mozzarella cheese?
Yep. For presentation, we're gonna squeeze some lemon to help the taste.
Mmm.
So this is our finished taco.
Should I try it now?
Yep.
It looks yummy. Let's taste it. Wow, I like the shape of it.
Wow, that
so
crunch.
crunchy. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video.
And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.